Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, welcome back. So is your Shopify site missing from Google in 2025? You're not alone, tons of store owners are scratching their heads over this. Today I've got a fast fix to get your site indexed and found by customers ASAP. Let's dive into the solution. So first guys, see if Google even knows you exist. Open Google and type in your site's domain and then hit search. If nothing shows, your site's not indexed. Why? Maybe it's new, password protected, or still on a trial plan. Head to Shopify admin, go to online store, then preferences, and uncheck enable password if it's on. Upgrade from trial to paid plan 2. Google skips trial stores. Step 2. Speed things up with your sitemap. In Shopify, your sitemap's auto-generated at yourdomain.com/sitemap.xml. Copy that URL, then hop over to Google Search Console. Sign up if you haven't. Verify your site, go to Sitemaps, paste the URL, and hit submit. This tells Google, hey, follow me now. It's not instant, but it beats waiting weeks. Now, juice it up. Add a blog post with keywords like best, and it's going to be your product in brackets. 2025, Google loves fresh content. Share it on X or Pinterest with your URL. Backlinks nudge Google to notice you faster. Test your site speed too. Slow pages tank rankings. Use Google Page Speed Insights and fix what's dragging, like big images, for example. And after that, step 4, keep tabs on it. In Search Console, check coverage for errors, fix any 404s or blocks. Give it from 48 to 72 hours post sitemap, then search again. Still nada? Double check robots.txt in Shopify's theme code. A no index tag could be hiding you. Edit it out if it's there. And guys, in general, that's going to be your 2025 fix. Check indexing, submit your sitemap, boost with content, and monitor. Guys, pro tip as well, keep adding unique product descriptions to climb higher. Worked for you? Drop a comment, like and subscribe. See you next time.